Welcome to Sek Math Academy. In this lesson, we are going to see S1 Statistics, Edexcel IIL, Chapter 7 Normal Distribution. Okay, Exercise 7b we are going to see. When to use table 1, when to use table 2, how to use it. This all we are going to see. Okay, what is first look at the table. What is the table 1? Table 1 is nothing but Z is less than A. Table 1 is what? Table 1, table 2. Table 2, 1 is Z is less than A. Table 2, Z is greater than A. Okay, look at the table. Now, second is, in table 1, P value is 0.521. 0.521. You see that 0.500, 0.5040, 0.5080, and there are 5 columns. Each column has 2 sub columns. Lastly, you see 0.999 like that. Table 2, you see it. P value. Table 2, P value is first, A value is second. Okay. 0.5, 0.4, 0.3 like that it is coming. So table 2 is 0.520. That means it is greater than 0.5. Table 2 is less than 0.5. Table 1, another important feature is the values are 4 digit 0.5120, 0.5239. Okay, it is not rounded values. P value. Look at the P value. That is each column. The second you look at it 0.5040, 0.6950, 0.9875 like that it will be there. There will be 4 digits after the decimal. Here after the decimal, table 2, it is rounded 0.4, 0.3, 0.2 or 0.01 or 0.25, 0.15 like that it will be there. So it is a rounded. Okay, note it down, this one. These all are the 3 features of table 1 and table 2. Table 1 is Z is less than A. Actually in the book everything here also they put Z. 2Z will get confused, so I am removing. Instead of Z here I put A only. Z is less than A, Z is greater than A. Table 1 greater than 0.5, table 2 less than 0.5. Table 1 there are 4 digits, table 2 it is rounded. Okay, copy down. Copy it. Okay. Now go to the exercise 7b, page number 158. Okay. P value is a P is probability of Z is greater than 1.27. Okay. This is A value is what? 1.27 and it is greater than. If they are giving A value, they are asking you probability, you can use only table 1. Table 2 you cannot use, because table 2 Z values are 0.2533, 0.5244, limited values only. Okay. Okay, now 1.27. But the problem is, it is Z is greater than 1.27. We know Z is less than 1.27. So what to do? There is another formula. If it is greater than 1.27 means 1 minus Z is less than 1.27. Always remember, if it is anything greater, it is 1 minus. I just explain. After this sum I will explain. Now Z is 1.27. Now look at the table. Look at the table. 1.27 go there. Third column. In the third column, the first column 1.27 is that. The corresponding value is, P value is 0.8980. 1 minus 0.8980. Find out. 1.1020. This is the value for probability of Z is Z is greater than 1.27. Note it down. What does that mean? Z is greater than 1.27. Okay. You note it down everything? This is 0, mean. One here positive values, here negative values. 1.27 is here, right? Here 0 to 4 will be that generally. Here 0 to -4. They are asking more than 1.27. This area they are asking. But our table is telling only less than value only. So how to find this value? This value is the total curve is area is 1. This area is 1.0, total this area. So 1 minus this minus this minus this one will give this one. That is nothing but probability of Z is greater than A is equal to 1 minus P is probability of Z is less than A. Got it? Very simple one. This is a famous formula. Okay. Copy down first. Okay. Next is 1B. Probability of Z is greater than minus 1.66. You see it, look at the table, the A value, that is Z value, is never in minus. It starts with 0.00, it ends with 4.00. So here what it is? Minus 1.66. So minus 1.66, we cannot do it. So you know that like this situation, if you flip it, you will get it. If you greater than sign and negative, if you change the sign and change the inequalities, then this equal to this one. You know that, you studied already IGCSE every time. So now this is nothing but Z is less than 1.66. You look at the table, look at the table 1, 1.66, 0.9515. Okay, good. So this equal to this one, 0.9515. I am explaining with the graph also. Okay, this is a 0. Here 0 to -4, 0 to +4. This is a minus 1.66. Okay, they are asking greater than this one. Greater than this one is nothing but, because it is a symmetry, less than 1.66. You can do like this also. Okay, in both ways you can do. So this is the way. Okay, note it down. C, Z is less than minus 2.28. How to do it? It is a less than, but negative is there. How to do it? Okay, I already told you. This is a 1C question. I already told you it is less than minus means you can make it Z is greater than 2.28. But another problem came. it became greater. Here less than but minus is there. Here greater than is there. So what to do? We already see this is the one. Greater than 2.28 is nothing but 1 minus probability of z is less than 2.28. So like this thing, you can make it this sign with this one. 1 minus, okay, 2.28, take it out. Here is a 2.28, 0.9887. Point 0113. Got it? Okay. Copy down. I will check the answer. All are right. 7B. First is 0.1020, 0.9515, 0.0113. One ABC is all right. Okay, next. 1D. This is exercise 7B we are doing. Okay, exercise 7B, S1 book, Edexcel. .31. Z is less than 1.31 minus probability of Z is less than 0. This is one famous formula. Always remember, probability of A is, first I will solve this sum, then I will come to this. Probability of Z is greater than 0 and less than 1.31, we can write like this. Z is less than 1.31, Z is less than 0. Less than 0 is minus 0.5. You look at the table 1 and 2. Z is less than 1.31, Z is less than 0, right? Okay, good. Minus 0.5. Less than 1.31. Take at the table, look at the table 1.31, fourth, third column. In the third column, again in the third column, first column is 1.31 is 0.9049, right? 0.9049 minus 0.5, 0.4049. Look at the answer. This is an answer I already checked. It is the right answer. Okay. 0.4049. Okay. Next. Okay, I will explain this theory. You please copy down. Always like that it is there means here some value 1.3, 1.5, anything is there means this is the case. This one minus this one. In both cases, note down, this is the less than only. Okay, don't get confused here. My students sometimes they put like this. Okay, what does that mean? You please get it. This is A, this is B. They want this area. Okay, we cannot find this to this area. How to find? First to find this area, then find this area. This, so this is, we will get it. This minus this one, we will get it. So that is one, probability of Z is less than B minus probability of Z is less than A. You got it? This is a famous, actually there are two formulas, three formulas. You can use it. One formula, Z is greater than A, is nothing but z is less than minus a, or the reverse. Or the reverse, number one. Okay, this is the one formula. Second formula, probability of z is greater than a is equal to 1 minus probability of z is less than a. Probability of z is less than a is equal to 1 minus probability of z is greater than a. The second formula. Third formula, copy down. Okay, third formula I will write it here. Probability of, okay, I will, please copy down. Third formula, this is the third formula. Still two formulas are there. When we do, we will do it. Okay. And the graph also, you know that the total area is 1. This is 0. This area is 0.5. This area is 0.5. It is mean. Okay, here it is 0 to 4. Here 0 to minus 4. Okay. Now we will go to 1E. (1.30) z is greater than 1.3, 1.89. Now onwards I will go fast because we have already learned. Z is less than 1.89 minus z is less than 1.3. Okay, 1.89, very simple, you can take it out. 0.9706 minus z is less than 1.30, 0.9032. Point 0.0674. Okay, 0.0674. Copy it down. I will. Right answer. Next E is 1F is minus 2.8 Z minus 1.6. Okay, this is the case. Minus 1.6, what we can do? Z is greater than 1.6. Okay, because I already told you minus value we cannot find out. Z is greater than 1.6. Then here Z is greater than 2.8. Okay, this how we can write. Another formula, 1 minus Z is less than 1.6. Here minus, open the bracket. 1 minus probability of Z is less than 2.8. Okay, 1 minus probability of Z is less than 1.6. This one will cancel. This will be plus. Probability of Z is greater than 2.8, Z is less than 2.8, minus probability of z is less than 1.6. Got it? Less than 2.8 is what? Take the table. 2.80, 0.9974 minus 1.6, 0.9452. This is the right answer. Okay. So 7B exercise 1 we completed. Now exercise 2 we will do only few sums. Copy down full. Exercise 2 we will see how to do it only, because you already learned from the exercise. Okay, this is a 1A, 2A, B, C, D, Z is less than 2.12. Directly take the values from the table 1. Very simple, because it is less than, there is no negative. Less than, no negative. Directly take from the table 1. Here, the problem is, probability of Z is greater than 0.84. Z is greater than 0.84. We have to change this sign. How to change the sign? 1 minus probability of Z is less than 0.84. Okay, 1 minus probability of Z is less than 0.84. Then here, the problem is, it is less than, but minus sign is there. Okay, you take the Z is less than, take the values from the table 1 and got it to probability value, and 1 minus this value. This is nothing but minus value is there. Less than is good, but minus is there. So I am making probability of Z is greater than 0.38. Then another problem is greater than. So I am making 1 minus probability of Z is less than 0.38. My students, some students will tell if it is less than and minus is just to put like this. But I want to emphasize step by step. If Z is less than, minus means my students, lazy students always prefer, sir, 1 minus P is like this. Okay. But do it with the proper step, then you may not leave that. You may not commit mistakes. Okay. Copy down the steps and procedure. Next. EFGH. E is minus 2.30, Z less than 0. This is nothing but probability of Z is less than 0. Z is less than minus 2.3. Okay, less than 0 is 0.5. Z is minus. This one is nothing but as per our E sum, you can directly, if you want, you may put it like this. Okay, actually it will be the greater sign, then 1 minus this one. Okay, but put the bracket. Next step it will be plus. Some people minus 1 minus they will put. No, it is wrong. F, probability of Z is less than minus 1.63. Minus sign you cannot put it, so greater than, then 1 minus. 1 minus probability of Z is less than 1.63. G sum we have already done in 1F, the same type. H sum is some interesting. I will do. H is, what interesting is there? Minus 1.57 z greater than 1.57. Okay, what does it mean? Both are same numbers, values, but sign only changing. This one we can do, z is less than 1.57 minus p is z is less than minus 1.57. Minus 1.57, how you can do it? Minus 1 minus probability z is less than 1.57, because this will become greater than will become 1 minus. Okay, so 2 probability of z is less than 1.57 minus 1, because this minus here it will be plus, z less than 1.57, z is less than 1.57, it will be 2 minus 1. 1.57, take the value, 0.9418 minus 2 times 0.9418, 0.1, 1.88, 836 minus 1 is minus 0.8836. Okay, this is the answer. 1 minute, I will check the answer. Yes, 0.8836. So if it is same values but different sign is there, just put this one. Okay, in short, I can summarize. Copy down. You can directly take it from table. If it is z is greater than a, put 1 minus z is less than a. If z is less than minus a, just put 1 minus. It will become greater than the same case. Okay. If it is greater than minus a, very simple. This is nothing but probability z is less than a. Take the values from the normal one. And another one, suppose minus 1.5 z is greater than minus 1.5, less than 1.5 means 2 times probability of z is less than 1.5 minus 1. Very simple one. Okay. Thank you for watching my videos. I am putting so many videos in S1 Unit 7. I am more specialized. I have taken so many years S1 to the students. I know many shortcuts. Please watch my videos and share the knowledge to your friends.